Hi everyone, I'm Essex Dave and I'm back in one of my favourite places, Kowloon City, and we're going to explore the local wet market. Okay, so we're here at the entrance. Lots of fresh fruit. Oranges, pomelos, apple juice. So this is obviously the fruit section. Nothing too crazy here. But all very colourful and very nice. Beautiful durians that are in season now. Pomelos for the upcoming Mid-Autumn Festival, and all these lovely deluxe fruits from Japan, from Korea. Wow. £30 for a bunch of grapes, anybody? Beautiful fresh vegetables. Vegetarian food. Lovely fresh bean curd, bean sprouts, pickled vegetables. As you can see, it's getting a bit wetter underfoot, so this is why it's called a wet market. Sensational, lovely fresh fish. All this morning's catch. Choose which one you want. Still alive, beautifully fresh. They'll prepare it for you. Delicious. Shellfish, local crabs. Scallops, prawns, king crab, clams, elephant clam, grouper, abalone, beautiful abalone. Razor clams, gonna guess red mullet. So obviously in Hong Kong and China, wet markets got a bit of a bad rap over the COVID outbreak because supposedly COVID came from a wet market in Wuhan. But as you can see, these are all pretty clean, pretty hygienic. And it's all licensed by the government. All kept fresh on ice. Beautiful. Mushrooms, bean curd, Japanese mushrooms, button mushrooms, corn, dumplings, sauces, everything that you could possibly want. So downstairs was mostly fish and vegetables, but up here is meat, tinned goods, dried goods. Dried fish, eggs. Fresh meat, looks like beef. Fish more, duck feet, chicken's feet, more duck feet. Beef balls, fish balls, udon noodles. Two pigs trotters, more fresh meat, pork, ribs, trotters, pork meat, hearts, loads of sauces, noodles, dry produce. You couldn't want for more. If they haven't got it here, they haven't got it anywhere. If you enjoyed that short exploration of the wet market, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications bell and smash that like button. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!